back to the channel. Today I'm doing an AR build project I'm working on. It's not completed yet. I'm going to show what I've done so far. I started off with a strip lower. I added a magpul pistol grip, SB tactical brace. I got some Strike Industry items, trigger guard, Strike Industry pins. I have a Spikes tactical buffer tube spring, detent also. And if you haven't noticed, I got a Fostech trigger. The fun trigger shoots on the pull and shoots on release. That's gonna be real nice. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you can see the finished project and the shooting of it in the future. So subscribe so you won't miss out. Yeah, like I said, SB tactical brace. Pull the lever. Has 3 lengths of pull. 1, 2, of course, all the way in is 3. That's real nice. Or you can close it, lock it out. Pins to attach the upper barrel. I don't have that yet. That's the next project. What else I got on here? I got the Spartan logo, bolt catch, bolt release, Spike Industry, I believe, and the trigger. Real nice lower. I haven't decided what size barrel to put. I was thinking of 10.5 upper to complete it, plus charging handle, bolt carrier. But subscribe so you can see the finished project. This gun, it's gonna be nice, it's gonna be fun. Of course, I color fill some of the etching. Spikes tactical mag release. It's all in blue and black. So I haven't decided what upper yet, but I'll go over it and pick which one I like. Most likely be a 10.5 inch barrel. Don't know what brand yet. I was thinking of a 5.56 caliber or 300 blackout, but I think I'll just stick with a 5.56. So just to share what's coming up in future video, the completion of this AR build. So please share, like, and subscribe.